Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Logging 8. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to move archived emails to inbox on Outlook. To move archived emails to inbox on Outlook, you can either open your Outlook application or you can go to your Outlook website. For that, you need to open any web browser and then type in www.outlook.com. After this, you will be taken to Outlook. I am using Outlook application. Now make sure that you are logged into your Outlook account. After this, now here you will be able to find navigation pane on the left side. If you are not being able to find, then you can click on three lines present on the top left. After this, you will be able to find archive option. Now click on archive. With this, you will be able to find all the emails that has been archived. Now you can select a specific archived email. After this, you'll be able to find a square box on the side. Click on the square box. Then on the top, you'll be able to find Move to option. Click on downward facing icon to move to. Then click on Inbox option. With this, now that archived email will be moved to Inbox. Now if you want to move a large number of archived email, then you can select a specific archived email. After this, click on the square box on the side. Now you can select other emails by clicking on the square box present on the side. After you select them, click on Move to option on the top, then click on Inbox. With this, now all the archived emails will be moved to Inbox. Here you can see my archived emails has been moved to Inbox. This is how we can move archived emails to Inbox on Outlook. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.